Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to remove your phone number from Facebook. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So what we need to do is simply go ahead and open your Facebook first, then tap on the top left triple lines icon and scroll all the way down until you find settings and privacy and tap on that. Click on settings one more time and then you're going to be taken to this page where you want to click on account center. Finally, click on personal details, which is going to be shown right over here. If you don't find it, click on profiles and personal detail up over here. Simply go ahead and select your Facebook right over here, and this is where you can actually find your info. But if you don't find it, it is going to be down over here, as you can see. At the moment, I don't have any phone numbers connected to my Facebook, but as you can see, it shows email. All you need to do is simply go ahead. So in order to change it now, on this personal detail, click on contact info, and this is where your number is going to be shown. Simply go ahead and click on that, and you can simply go ahead and change it, or you could also delete number by clicking here. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.